I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on your Ally card, follow these steps to make the process smoother. Step 1. Review your statement. Check your recent transactions on your Ally card statement to identify the charge you want to dispute. Make sure it's not a legitimate charge you may have forgotten about. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant documents that support your dispute, such as receipts, emails, or screenshots. This will help you present a strong case. Step 3. Contact Ally customer service. Call the customer service number on the back of your Ally card. Explain the situation clearly and provide them with the details of the charge you want to dispute. Step 4. Follow up in writing. After your call, send a written dispute to Ally, including all the details and documentation you gathered. This creates a paper trail for your claim. Step 5. Monitor the progress. Keep an eye on your account and any correspondence from Ally regarding your dispute. They typically respond within a few weeks, but it is good to check in if you don't hear back. Disputing a charge can feel overwhelming, but following these steps can help you navigate the process more easily. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.